Hello everyone, welcome to Bioscience. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about the human health and diseases chapter roughly. Today, we are going to discuss about a list of bacterial disease and their causative agents. So, you can jot it down simultaneously. So, here in this side, I will be writing the name of the diseases, disease name, and their causative agents. Causative agents. So, the first disease caused by bacteria in human is diphtheria. I will be discussing this in details. Diphtheria, which is caused by Corynebacterium, diphtheriae. Then in the list, the second disease which I am going to write is pertussis. Pertussis, which is also known as whooping cough. Whooping cough. Why is it called whooping cough? Because while coughing, there will be a sound coming, that is whoop sound. In Hindi, we say this as kukur khansi. Okay, so person voice is very coarse, and while having that cough, the people suffering from this disease feel lot of pain. Okay, so pertussis is caused by Bordetella pertussis. So what is this? These all are the bacterial diseases. Now we have tetanus. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani. It is easy to remember because you can see with the disease name there is some resemblance in the name of the bacteria, so it will be easier to memorize this. And then the fourth one is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay. TB, which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then you must have heard about cholera. Like we had this COVID-19 affecting all across the world, and it is termed as pandemic. Cholera also caused epidemic, and it is very serious problem. It was actually, nowadays people are getting treated easily, but this used to cause great damage to the human being due to lack of medicinal facilities, especially in the remote places. Okay, so cholera is caused by a comma-shaped bacteria called Vibrio cholerae. Excuse me. Then plague, which is also called as bubonic plague. It is caused by Yersinia pestis. Then pneumonia, which is caused by either Streptococcus pneumoniae or Diplococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae, or Diplococcus pneumoniae. Then we have common problem wherever we visit any reception party or any birthday party, or might be we visit some colleagues house, and it is not purposely, but even at our home also sometime the food get contaminated or by any of the pathogens, and we suffer from food poisoning. So the causative agent for food poisoning can be anything, but one of them is Bacillus botulinum, or Clostridium botulinum is also there. Bacillus species, you can write, or botulinum. Then there are two diseases in this list is sexually transmitted bacterial disease. The name is syphilis, which is caused by Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum, and gonorrhea, which is caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Now you must be wondering that there are so many diseases, how much harmful they are to our body, and how do we get cured. Okay, so for these three diseases in our early age only, we get the vaccine. You must have heard about DPT vaccine. DPT vaccine we have for three of the diseases. There is only one vaccine, that is DPT. And then for tuberculosis we have a vaccine named BCG vaccine. For rest of the diseases we can have antibiotic, and any diseases which is diagnosed early can be easily treated rather than if it has become chronic. Now you have a question that what is the difference between acute disease and the chronic disease. Now here you have to tell me which kind of diseases I told in the beginning about these two diseases, which kind of disease too, although it is a bacterial disease. Now how, the mode of transmission, you will write down in the comment box. So for the further studies you can subscribe the channel and stay tuned. I'll be discussing very important topics of biology here. That's all for today. Thank you.